Hello Libra, how are you? This is your career, business and money reading for September month. So hopefully we have some awesome stuff here. Somehow I feel September should be a great month for all of us. Being a general reading, not all messages might resonate with you, so keep whatever resonates. Also, this is based on your Sun, Moon and Venus rising, so you could check those videos as well. The messages could resonate, Libra. So let's see what's there for you. I'll just pick up the cards just after this shuffle. Three of Wands. This is waiting for a negotiation. It talks about expansion, it talks about growth, it talks about waiting for a negotiation or an association or a news to come to you here. It could be that you're negotiating deals, or you're looking for further expansion. You're looking at the resources, you're looking at the area or the place you want. So it's basically growth, expansion, and you are in the position of strength here with Three of Wands here. You're looking for, you have options. It's not that you have options, you're looking at various options about career, money, business, job, any situation here. So let me clarify, what is this? Okay, so this is coming with Six of Swords here. So this is talking about you are wanting to travel somewhere regarding, or relocation or moving somewhere. So this waiting is about that. You're waiting for that yes news to come to you. Now you can relate if this resonates with you, that you are wanting to move to another location. Either it could be a relocation, because this is like going with the baggage. Also it just could mean travel, or it could be an area or a country near the sea. So basically waiting for a news in September to move forward to with your business plan, if it is a business expansion that you're looking for. If you've got a job, maybe you're waiting for the offer letter to come so that you can move on, or so it is about that. So business, getting new places, traveling for business, or a job situation, relocation, or maybe just getting new clients, meeting partners, associates in your job situation also. So this also talks about going for interviews, like traveling for interviews here. So this is your card. This is the first card, Libra here. Let's see what else. So it's really like there is expansion definitely. So the next card is Great Star. So this is a star card. It's a wish coming true. So you had something in your mind, you had a wish, and this is for some of you. So a wish is coming true for some of you here, Libra. So it's a great card. You are blessed. It's a divine, blessing that something you have been trying to manifest or having in your life is coming to you in September. So great news. It could be success, it could be money, it could be job situation, it could be business. So whatever it is, it will resonate with your situation, Libra. It could be health also. It could be like a stress-free life, being happy, whatever it you have desired. So a wish coming true for some of you here. Let me clarify this. Yeah, so it's about options. You were wanting options for yourself. This is Seven of Cups. So you have so many options here. So maybe it was about looking, you wanted certain company to be in your option list, or certain job, certain companies for your job in your option list. So it talks about options here. You are having a lot of options here to choose from. This is the star wish. I mean, more than one or two options you have for some of you here. So this is your wish getting fulfilled here. For some of you it's just a wish getting, for some of you it's an options that you were wanting, that such and such company to work with. So you have that, more than one. If you wanted business with certain companies, so that's coming. So even it could be you wanted to buy a house, or because this talks about buying luxuries also, so a property or luxuries, whatever you can say, spending money in the luxurious ways. So this is talking about wish coming true for you here. What else for Libra? Of course, I see you, you will be visiting places, there will be interviews, and you will clear those rounds of interview. It's gonna be a success, success in your ventures also. And just see what else. Page of Pentacles. So some of you are working on a new money situation here. Now Page of Pentacles is about trying to bring a change in where you are working, in your working space. Maybe you will need to move. You are planning to move for a new idea which has come to you regarding making money. I mean, a profitable venture. So this is that. Also, this Page of Pentacles card is a card of scholar, yearning for learning. So you're learning how to do business much better. You're yearning to learn more about the business, more about, so maybe you're joining a short-term course, or you're getting information. So Page of Pentacles, to grow your money, to grow your business, to get more in-hand experience. So this is for some of you here. Page of Pentacles. Let me clarify. Okay, so this is Nine of Wands here, Nine of Rods, what you say. It's about, you have so many certain things in your mind going on regarding business, regarding your partnership, regarding multiple things are going in your mind. So you to take it, there's lot of information, lot of things going inside your mind, and it's a new idea. These are all new ideas. These are, so you want to with this Page of Pentacles, you want to just understand which one is gonna work for you, which will get you better money, which will get you better returns, which will get you better expansion. So yearning for learning is what I get. You are trying to get more information on this idea that you want to work, which will bring a change. The change also could be within yourself, like within your body, or it could be the change in your working conditions, your environment. So anything, this will bring up a change. It shows that with so many options, you are a little guarded that whether I should go for it or not. So you are trying to get more information, more knowledge for this, and that is the thing. This is the way you should go, because only then you understand the right way to go and get success, get money, get good returns. So this is what is going on for some of you here. Now one more card, Libra, and we'll just see. Also, I see good times with friendship, like Seven of Cups is like you will be meeting friends, you will be meeting partners. It's like a friendly meetings, business with pleasure. Meeting people with business and pleasure, mixing business with pleasure. So this is what I feel here. And you will be very popular because you have the Star card, 7, and the 7 of Cups, as well as 3 of Wands. So you are in a position of strength, and you are very confident, and people look up to you, like this is what and you will make many new, you will break new grounds, many successful completion of certain goals that you have set for yourself. Some of you who will set some goals in September will break those new grounds, and you're going to be successful. This is what I get here. So one more card here. So what else for Libra? One card popped out. Queen of Pentacles. So I feel here that you are very focused. You know how you are that good businessman or the businesswoman. Your focus is right. You know that you need the focus to be successful, to get what you want, to do the business properly. So this talks about being in the right focus, trying to knowing that you need to be focused in your way to work on things the way it should. Very well thought. You are ready to work hard, and you are ready to put all your efforts and hard work. That is what I feel here. Also, I think with Queen of Pentacle, you are, it's like you nurturing, caring energy. You will take care of yourself. You are going to look good. You will also take care of others. You'll be humble. You'll be grounded, stable energy with the Queen of Pentacle. Let me clarify. What is this regarding? King of Pentacles. So here it talks about stability. So you are focused. You want to bring stability into your life. You are working towards a solid foundation, financial foundation with the Knight of Pentacle here. So this is basically working towards the financial stability. Those who are yearning for stability, so stability is coming to you. You will be working on certain things that will bring stability to you, Libra. This is what I get. This could be you could be dealing with a Virgo person here. Queen of Pentacle, it's a earth sign, so you could be dealing with Capricorn, Virgo, and Taurus. So here is what I get. Also, you have Page of Pentacle. I see here money, some amount of money coming, because you got how many? 3 Pentacle card here. Money definitely for some of you coming from rentals, agreements, bonds, share, buying, selling of property here. Also, okay, negotiation, maybe even you could get handsome deals when you do go for a negotiation. This is what I get here, and that is what here with Page of Pentacle. Yeah, so start with the star card. I mean, I don't need to say anymore. It is going to definitely going to be good, but you need to take care of your health, and there could be expenses that you need to manage properly. Get a reality check here, but there is success in all ventures, and you are using all the connections and to collaborate and reach out to the right people at the right time here. Of course, you also have publicity here. You will get, some of you will be publicly will win public accolades, I mean praises. This is for some of you here. So this is it, Libra, for this month. Job wise, successes, interviews is there. Venture wise also, whatever you're working in September, it's gonna be success here. Even if it's negotiation, it's gonna be in your, because you have the star card. Nothing else to look for, Libra. Just take care of your health, and take care of your stress, because you're working really hard. Do some yoga, meditation, relax yourself with calming music, connect with yourself with the spiritual, divine power, whoever you believe in. It is going to help you re-energize and get you further moving ahead, much ahead, so this is what I get, Libra, for you here. So thanks for watching this video and taking your time out and watching this video. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel and like, comment. So thank you. We'll see you in the weekly readings.